you're serious about getting that brighter and radiant skin this year 2025, then you should never skip serums. Hi my loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your favorite girl Amarachi Favy, your favorite skincare girly here. I will start this video by apologizing, okay, for the last video that I made. I didn't know that YouTube will not be able to add subtitles to that video. I actually spoke Igbo with my sister and a lot of you were complaining, saying that you cannot hear what I am saying because I'm an Igbo girl and I just felt like I should bring in my culture and my roots to this channel. I am so sorry. Maybe next time I would make proper arrangements on how to add the subtitles before I'll create any content that has to do with me not speaking English. Okay, am I forgiven? Hope you're forgiving me. So in this very video we're going to be talking about serums, and if you've been following me for a long time, I always say that serums are a must. When it comes to your skincare routine, you must add serums if you want to achieve that glowy, brighter, radiant skin that you're hoping to achieve this year. You must add serum into your routine. You must use serums. Like, it's not negotiable. It's not something that you'd have to say, okay, should I do? It's not like a toner that you might decide to skip. Serums are a must. Even if you're oily skin, acne-prone skin, normal skin, dry skin, any skin, any skin type, you must use serums. And this very video, I'll be telling you all the serums that you have to use, the ingredients that they contain that would actually work very well for your skin type. And also, I'll be telling you the affordable serums that you can get. You know, here we talk about affordability. I'll be telling you affordable serums that you can use that would be effective and work perfectly for your skin type. I want you to get your biro and your book ready because you have a lot to learn. So let us talk about serums. What is serum and why should you not skip serums? Serums are lightweight, fast absorbing ingredients that are actually actives, and they help when it comes to skin brightening and also treating some certain skin concern. Okay, that's what a serum is. The reason why you should not skip your serum is because they penetrate deep into your skin and give you that radiance that you are looking for. They also help to protect your skin barrier and keep your skin locked with a lot of moisture. So these are the reasons why you should not skip serums. So let us go into the particular skin type that would use a particular serum. So if you have an oily and acne-prone skin, the goal is to control your oil production, reduce your oil production, and also brighten your skin, because obviously you are going to be having dark spots as a result from the acne. Okay, you're going to be having dark spots, and the ingredients that you should look out for when you are getting your serums are: number one is salicylic acid. Salicylic acid will help to unclog your pores and also treat your acne. It will help to target your acne pores and dry them. Okay, salicylic acid actually like goes deep into those your acne and dries it up. Those your acne pores, it will dry it up and make it to be very, very dry. It's actually like heals you from your acne. Okay, so the second ingredient that you should be looking out for when you're getting your serum, if you have an oily and acne prone skin, is niacinamide. Okay, niacinamide is vitamin B3. It would help to fade your dark spot, hyperpigmentation, and also strengthen your skin barrier. Okay, so the third ingredient that you should look out for is glycolic acid, and glycolic acid is an exfoliant that would help to also exfoliate your face. If you have a dirty skin, you don't have any business looking for a glowy skin. I've said it countless times on this channel. And the next ingredient to look out for is mandelic acid. Mandelic acid is an acid that would help to exfoliate your face, although gently exfoliate your skin. And also the next ingredient to look out for is retinol. Retinol would help in your cell turnover, and also it will help to strengthen your skin barrier, unclog your pores, and give you that clean and clear skin that you are looking for. So if you have noticed, as I'm mentioning the ingredients, the products that contain these ingredients that would work very well for your skin would be inserted on the screen just as I'm talking about that particular ingredient. Okay, so do not come after and be telling me that I did not mention the products or the brands to use. Okay, each of the brand will clearly be on the screen as I'm talking about that particular ingredient. Okay, so that will be it for oily skin. So if you have a dry skin, you already know that your skin is dry. Okay, so the ingredients to look out for when you're getting your serums are hyaluronic acid. Okay, hyaluronic acid is that one ingredient that provides intense hydration and and makes your face to be very, very plump. It locks in moisture onto your skin because you already know that you're a dry skin, so you need all the moisture that your skin can get. Next ingredient to look out for if you have a dry skin would be vitamin C. Okay, vitamin C is an antioxidant that would help to brighten your skin and make you to have a glowy and radiant skin. The next ingredient to look out for as a dry skin is lactic acid. For lactic acid is an ingredient that would help to gently exfoliate your skin. It will not strip your skin of its natural oil, okay, because you already have a dry skin, so you need moisture. You need as much moisture as you can get, okay. So what I'm trying to say is that lactic acid is very, very good because it will exfoliate your face, get rid of the dead skin cell, and as well add moisture to your skin. And when it comes to the brands to look out for, you can boldly see them on the screen, okay. When it comes to the next ingredient, it will be ceramide. Ceramide is that ingredient that would actually like help to strengthen your skin barrier. If your skin barrier is broken, I always recommend that you use ceramide, any product that contains ceramide. And when it comes to ceramide, for me, the brand that does that so well is Face Facts, okay. Face Facts has wide ranges of product that contains ceramide, and their serum that contains ceramide is the number one for me if you are a dry skin or your skin barrier is broken, because most of us have dry skin because our skin barrier is broken. So when you use ceramide, it will help to strengthen and restore your skin barrier, and then you will see that your skin is back on track. So the next ingredient to look out for as a dry skin would be glycerin, okay. Glycerin will help to throw all the moisture into your skin, lock in moisture, hydration. For me, whenever I hear glycerin, I always like hear hydration, moisture, like plump skin, a skin that is very, very soft, a skin that is moisturized, okay. If your skin is moisturized, you're not going to be having that dryness on your skin, okay. That will be it for dry skin. So the next skin type that I'm going to be talking about now is for combination skin. So if you have a combination skin, pick up your pen and start writing. So for combination skins, the first ingredient to look out for when you are shopping for your serum is niacinamide, okay. Niacinamide helps to regulate oil production and also get rid of any scar or any scar that come from maybe acne or stuff from on your face, okay. You know, as a combination skin, some part of your face is oily and some parts are dry. If you're on combination skin, you will know what I'm talking about. So the next ingredient to look out for if you're a combination skin would be mandelic acid. Mandelic acid will help to gently exfoliate your skin, and also lock in moisture, and also help in controlling that oil that comes from your T-zone, okay. If you're also a combination skin, you can also lean towards products that contain glycolic acid, okay. It's an exfoliant that would also exfoliate your skin, okay. Remember that if you have dead skin cell, your products will not sink into your skin and work effectively. The next ingredient to also look out for is hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid will help to lock in extra moisture on your skin and give your skin that plump vibe that you are hoping to achieve. The next one is retinol. Retinol would actually help to brighten your skin and take your skin from a 1 to 100. If you know, you know, okay. So the next skin type that I'm going to be talking about in this video is normal skin, okay. If you have a normal skin, you should look out for ingredients like vitamin C, okay, because you don't have an acne-prone skin. Vitamin C will not do you any harm, rather it will do you more good. It's an antioxidant that will help to brighten your skin and take your skin from like this to like this. Do you get? It will help to brighten your skin so well and give you that radiant and glowy and glassy skin that we all are looking for this year. The next ingredient to look out for if you have a normal skin would be retinol. Yes, retinol is also good for normal skin because it will help to also brighten your skin. If you have a normal skin, you don't really have like much problems, you don't have much issue. All you need to do is just to take that your dull looking skin to looking brighter and more radiant, okay. That's just the only job. You don't have to treat any skin concern. You just want to glow and glow the right way, okay. Yes. So the next ingredient to look out for if you have a normal skin would be hyaluronic acid, okay. Everybody needs moisture, everybody needs hydration, everybody needs their skin to be plump, so you are going to be needing hyaluronic acid. So any product that contains hyaluronic acid, you should also get it. And also you should get products that contain mandelic acid because it will gently gently exfoliate your face. Emphasize on the word gently. It will gently exfoliate your face and give you that smooth finish that you are hoping to achieve, okay? Get rid of dead skin cells and give you that skin popping face that we're hoping to have this year, 2025. Now we are done talking about the skin types that we have, but I want to actually like also talk about people that their skin is aging. If your face looks older than your body, if your face looks older than your age, if your face is shrinky, you are having wrinkles, you are having fine lines on your face because of maybe the products that I have used in the past, I would say that you should look out for ingredients like retinol. Retinol would help to actually like lock in and also strengthen your skin barrier, lock in moisture, and also make your skin to be brighter and radiant. You should also look out for ingredients like vitamin C. Vitamin C will protect you from sun damage, and also it will lock in moisture and also make you to have a brighter looking skin. Like your skin will be brighter and it will be looking more like your age. Do you understand? So the next ingredient to look out for, if you have an aging skin, like if your face looks very, very old, older than your age or your actual age, you should look out for any product that contains peptide, okay? Peptide is an ingredient that will help to strengthen your skin elasticity and also strengthen your skin texture. It would help to actually like make your skin to be firm and also make your skin to look tighter. Do you get? Because when your skin is aging, your skin will be saggy and your skin will be dropping. Like, I don't know how to explain it, but you will have a lot of flesh that will be dropping. So you need to like, up your game and also make your face to, appear very youthful and young. So any product that contains peptide will do the job. So I'm going to be giving you the tips as usual on how to use these serums and get good results, because most of us are complaining that I do all these things, I buy all these products and they are not working for me. Maybe, just maybe, I'm not using it the right way. So the first thing is I'm going to apply a serum on a clean skin, a skin that is already clean, okay? When you must have cleansed your face using your facial cleanser or your bar soap, whichever one that you are using, and you must have toned your face if you are using a toner, then the next thing to go in with is your serum. But let us say that you're not using a toner, then you know that after cleanser is your serum. Then make sure that your hands are clean. Whenever you're using your serum, please make sure that your hands are clean. These hands contains germs and bacteria and, a lot of stuff that we cannot see unless we go through the microscope. So please always make sure that your hands are clean. And then the next thing to do is to apply like 2 to 3 drops on your palm, or 2 drops is actually okay. Do like this together and then press it onto your skin. Do not rub your serum on your face. Pat it into your skin. Make sure that it enters into your skin by using the pressing method. I call it the pressing method because once you are doing like this, you're already pressing your face. You're already pressing the products to enter your face. Do you understand? So the third tip that I'm going to be telling you is that after you are done using your serum, please make sure that you use your sunscreen. If you are going out under the sun, make sure that you use your sunscreen to stay protected from the harmful UV rays. Listen, what the sun does to your skin that is unprotected is something that one day I will talk about in a detailed video. The sun actually can damage your face and cause your face to have sunburn, dark spots, hyperpigmentation, and so on and so forth. But if your skin is protected, the ingredients that comes from the serums will work very well because they are also protected from the harmful UV rays. Like this, the sun is not penetrating your skin, so they will not have anything to do with your products. Your products can actually like be altered if you go out under the sun without a sunscreen. I don't know if you're understanding what I'm trying to explain. What I'm trying to say is that if you're not using a sunscreen, you're causing more damage on your skin. Yes, take it from me, okay? And when you're done with your serums, I would also say that you should use a moisturizer that is actually meant for your skin type, okay? I will do a detailed video on moisturizers for your skin type, ingredients to look out for when you are going to buy your moisturizers. The reason why I actually like focus more on the ingredients to look out for is because if you cannot find these products that are attached on the screen, when you go to shop, you can as well look out for the ingredients in any brand that you see in the shopping mall. As long as that particular product contains that ingredient that you're looking for, you can go ahead and shop for it, okay? You can go ahead and buy it. You must not say, can I use this? Can I use it? By now, this year 2025, I want us to know the ingredients that are suitable for our skin types, so that you will not come to the comment section and be telling me, should I use good molecules? Should I use this? Should I use that? The only thing you have to do is that when you are shopping, you read the ingredient list on that particular product and you are good to go, okay? And there you have it, my loves. These are the ingredients and also the products that you should be using. And when it comes to your serum, if you want to achieve a brighter and a glowy skin this year 2025, these are the ingredients that you should look out for when you are going on that skincare shopping. And also, these are the brands that you should also look out for when you're also going on that skincare shopping. If you have watched this particular point of the video and you are yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel because it helps me to grow. Turn on your notification bell so that I'll be the very first person to get notified once I upload a new video like this. Here we do affordable skincare products. I review affordable skincare products. I tell you tips that would help you to have a glowy and a radiant skin, okay? Share this video to someone that you know that you're looking for affordable products to use, and also you're looking for a good serum that would actually treat or target that person's skin concern and also the person's skin type, okay? Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed this content that you just watched. Leave a comment in the comment section in case you're confused on whatever I just said in this video. I'm always in the comment section replying to all your comments. Yes, I may take my time to reply, but if it's for a reply, you are definitely going to be getting a reply from me, okay? And until next time, my love, stay glowy and bye.